4 reasons why your e-commerce store is not getting the sales or the results you want. Reason 1 is you're not getting enough traffic and visitors to your website. And that overall means you don't have enough brand awareness yet. There's nothing wrong with that. The way you build brand awareness is through that organic marketing and paid marketing. You cannot expect to do good or do well when you're getting 50 to 100 people to your website or even lower every day. Now, whenever my brand Say Less Lifestyle wanted to make over $1,000 in a day, we always had to get anywhere from 1,500 people to 2,500 people to our website in that one day. I tell a lot of my mentees, the goal should be getting 500 to 1,000 visitors to your website or more in 1 week starting out. Set goals for yourself. Envision that number that you want to be bringing in on a monthly basis from your brand and write it down. Come up with a definite plan on how you are going to obtain that. Reason number 2. So you may have looked back at reason number 1 and said, hey, how do you get visitors to your website and create overall brand awareness? That's not through the long-term things like handing out business cards or getting an in-person location or things of that sort. The short-term answer would be paid advertising. Now, a lot of brands are out here doing boost posts on Instagram and paid advertising, but they don't have the accurate knowledge to get the best results. Also, you have bad settings when you set up your boost post or your Facebook ad settings. You don't know who your target customer or your target audience is. And if you don't know that, it's going to be very hard to sell. If your target consumer is athletes, in the interest, you would put a ton of interest on what your target consumer likes. And in the duration, you want to run it for around 30 days. But letting the duration run for 30 days, it's allowing your ads to gather the information about who your target consumer is. Think of it like throwing a bait inside of a big ocean. There's going to be a bunch of fish that go past the bait, but some fish might come smell the bait or try to come bite it. Facebook ads will go ahead and show that bait to that type of fish. Your ads need to gather information over time on who your target consumer is, or else when you do run paid advertising, it's going to do nothing but get a bunch of people to your website that have no idea what your brand is or have no intentions of buying. Besides that, like I said earlier, you have bad content also. All of this leads to social proof. Social proof is the perspective on how somebody perceives your brand. How somebody perceives your brand determines if they're going to buy from your brand or not. So overall, building up that social proof through posting high professional quality content. And if you need inspiration or ideas, look at other clothing brands just like yours that's successful and look at what they're posting on social media. Dedicate 1 day out of the week to make high quality content for your clothing brand. Brainstorm and execute. Reason number 3, your website. Your website may take too long to load up, or your website might be too complicated. Make it as simple as possible for the customer so they can go on your website quick as possible and get up out of there. Also, not having no shipping or refund policy on your website. It's very important to be in detail as possible about the shipping process. All customers want is communication. Another bad marketing on your website would be you have no free shipping. And imagine if you were the customer. Put yourself in the customer's shoes. If you were shopping on a store website and you seen the price at $30 and then you click checkout and it says $38, would that make you want the product more? Go ahead and give free shipping. And you want to always state that you give free shipping. The word free is a marketing technique. Use it. Another bad marketing technique on a website would be no variety, and you don't have 3 to 5 six-figure products. A lot of brands may have 20 products on their website, but the 20 products may not be six-figure products. It's very important that you're precise and, like I said earlier, simple as possible. There's a lot of brands out here that have nothing on their website. They'll lock their website, and it's nothing wrong with that. But that does not guarantee best results unless you're the type of brand who has the fan base for that. Have 3 to 5 six-figure products, and each of them need to hit different price points. What I mean by that is have one of your shirts at $25, and then have your hoodie at $50, and then have a super creative hoodie at $75, and maybe have your sweatsuit at $100. You see how many different price points you've hit? So now when a customer comes on your website and they only have $25 and you're giving free shipping, they can shop with you. Also, you may have bad product pictures on your website. It's very important to be using a white background mock-up for pictures on the website. And if you do photo shoots, please maintain that white background format, especially for your website and for organic content and high professional pictures. Reason number 4, you're not concentrating all your efforts on gaining the right information and executing on the right information. Knowledge is power, but it's even more powerful to put to use that knowledge. So all the things you've learned in this video reflected on your brand. Do some self-reflection. Don't have false reality and expectations for your brand. Be realistic and aim high. Concentrate all your efforts and focus up and lock in, because you're more than capable to do what you dream of. Best of luck with your brand. Subscribe down below. Tap them links in the description and let's get to it.